AJK.
Yeah. I've been waiting for this. Yeah. Been thinking about this, man. A whole lot. I've been thinking my whole life. Yeah. Sitting back, think about this. Made a melody quick. Made like 20 of these hits. Let me go change that pitch, dawg. It's been a lot of missed calls, it's been a lot of pissed off. So I had to go dip, dawg. House party, some crystal. Recline my seat. Let me go feel this heat. Let me turn up that speed. This song too clean, it feels unique. Got me intrigued like why they sleep on. I'm in deep, I'm between streets. Same block where I hum bars. They hopped out cars and stopped me. But I'm back on my feet, on top of the residence. Looking at the clouds, I'm heaven sent. Came back from the depths of hell like Leo up and Revenant. I got the bag, I'm not selling it. Yeah, think I just found my niche. I was on groundhog shit. The same day passing by, not learning new lessons. But the way I changed my perspective is blessing me with all of this trekking. Fuck around and no stressing. Wondering if my words are everlasting. Past these temporary days. God, I've been asking, where will my conscience go when I'm gone from this temporary place? But I ain't got no fear, with my homies on there. It's been a long time since I saw my guys, missing all those late nights. We were freestyle in the backseat ride. Sit some hen and feel alright. I afford a new watch, but I can't buy old times. I sport a new top that I can't buy 2 times. But baby, just you watch, I'm about a new ride. Can't see a new world if I didn't lose. Why? Trials and tribulations, dog, I've been waiting for this. Patiently praying about this, but I ain't planning on sitting. I was depending on writtens, extending my vision, spending time with the kindred. Don't know when I fly to a spirit. Don't know, but I got this time is given. Don't know, but you know I'm so gifted. But sometimes I do too much thinking. Yeah, wondering if my words are everlasting. Past these temporary days. God, I've been asking, where will my conscience go when I'm gone from this temporary place? Yeah.